Hi, my name is Sarah Salinas, and today I'm going to be speaking about why I feel college should be free. The cost of college is rising even faster than inflation in the US. Many students around the world face financial constraints when it comes to attending college. Because education is such a vital part of life, there are many reasons why college should be free. My number one reasoning is that it improves society. When more people are educated, it makes it easier for the society to improve. When everyone is on the same level of education, they all get a better understanding of the economy and what we need to do to continue to improve in our country. Also, when more people are educated, it makes it more easier for people to be eligible for jobs. This means more people will be working, which could help lessen the wealth gap between the upper, middle, and lower class. Another reason I believe college should be free is because it boosts the economy. Most students graduate with a massive amount of debt. For example, in the US, the average student debt per person is $31,172. When students graduate with debt, they will most likely continue to add to their debt with interest. On the other hand, if people were to go to college and graduate without debt, that could fast track their ability to earn, save, and spend. This helps to stimulate the economy. Furthermore, the fear of being in debt can cause students to avoid school entirely. Because of affordability interferes with education, a lot of people are willing to settle their education at lower levels of education, such as some people attend community college due to the fact that they can afford it, and others can afford expensive universities. A lot of the smartest people in the world grew up in poor environments in low income households. Even if everyone had an equal opportunity to attend school, then everyone would have the chance to go to school. When students do not have to worry about money, they focus better on their studies. Countries that offer free college include Germany, Australia, Finland, Czech Republic, France, and Spain. Some students, parents, and even educators say that it is morally wrong for a child to spend their entire life attending school for free just to turn around and be told that they have to pay for their college. A few reasons people are against free college tuition is due to student loans will default and increase. Completion rates will decrease and property taxes will increase. Persistence among college students will decrease. Private colleges will suffer enrollment declines and financial hardships. Free college does not address occupational shortages, so college should be free because it causes more focus on education. Most careers require a college degree and provide new opportunities for children. If college was free, students might have more freedom to choose a major they enjoy. A lot of times, the colleges students go to are for something they know they can afford and isn't too crazy in a price range. The truth behind this is told to be said that this is how our governments are making money off of us. If college was to become free, taxes would indeed rise. Another reason people agree that college students should pay for classes is because it gets you ready for life and all your finances. College loans are often the first major financial dealing that people work with. Paying these debts off in a timely manner will improve you know how to budget your money. Another reasoning that is against free college is because, just like in high school, students take their education for granted, that college students will also. Free tuition is needed now in this year 2020, as Caitlin Zaloom exclaimed. I think we're at a watershed moment. It used to be that a high school diploma could allow a young adult to enter into middle class, but we are no longer in this situation. New Mexico has announced a plan to make tuition at all state college free for students, regardless of family income. Nearly half of the states, including New York, Oregon, and Tennessee, have guaranteed free 2 or 4 year public college to some students. But New Mexico proposal seems to go further, promising 4 years of tuition, even to students whose families can't afford to pay the sticker price. All students must maintain at least a 2.5 grade average. Professor Zulum says free college educations from the University of California, the City and University of New York, and other public systems, some of the most successful engines of mobility in this country. Because of a lot of students decide their majors depending on affordability, it would make a big difference in what major they chose. This is because a lot of students have to get loans, and because they want to pay loans off fast, they choose ones that they can afford. Students in our and students are in so much fear of being in debt that they don't push themselves to their full potential. If college became free, students wouldn't worry about price tags. For example, when you go to the store looking for something, you expect to spend a certain amount of money, but still get something you can afford at a good price, and that is nice. Spending your college education should not leave you worrying about money, but how much knowledge you can uphold. Prices come into play about a lot of times when choosing what kind of school you want to attend. For example, low-income families are most often known to attend community college due to how cheap tuition may be. Middle class and up are known to attend more cost-efficient courses such as universities and Ivy League schools such as Harvard. Tuition-free college can change a community, as Nash McQuarters explains in a TED Talk about how an organization called Tulsa gave students an opportunity to attend college debt-free and fee-free. This organization has helped over 15,847 students. This organization caused an increase in associate's degree holders in Tulsa County to 2.6% higher in ages 25 years and older, and 4.0% higher in ages 18 to 24 years. This has improved their economy economic-wise and socially. It is mandated that all Tulsa students must meet with an advisor every semester before they enroll in classes, as well as take a freshman orientation course. Sometimes in their freshman year, Tulsa made a comparison chart showing the persistence rate compared to other colleges, and what is shown at a TA student is 83% persistent, as a non-TA student is only 67% persistent. Students at TA even have shown their continue rate into the next year is high to 2. They believe this is caused due to the fact that the issue of paying for college is no longer there.